Indestructible. Almost. Nothing in this life's indestructible, but this thing comes pretty close to it. Oh no, leaves. Hello my friends and welcome back. Today we're checking out one of my most favorite RC car brands, and that's the DEERC. So this is for 8 and older. This is their 4-wheel drive 9300 model. So guys, check this out. Oh, it's small, compact, yet aggressive. Look at this. And just look at the independent shocks. Look at that. The flexibility, as you guys can see, and the same for the back, which allows this to maneuver extremely well. So that's the body underneath it, so it protects the motor and everything. Look at this. They even have these little, this is the first time I've seen this, that you can actually pull it for easy access. So for pulling the pins out really quick and easy. Check it out, guys, underneath here. So your battery would go here, pull this pin out, place the battery in. They do provide you, let's see, yes, they provide you with 2 batteries, and it said 20 minutes driving time, so that's probably per battery. So you guys could have up to 40 minutes of driving time. Alright guys, so this is the remote control. Nice soft pad on the wheel. Trigger underneath it. You put your batteries in here, which takes 3 AA batteries. So let's see, it says warning, don't pull trigger of the remote during connecting. So when you're connecting it to the, it's basically pairing, don't be pulling the trigger. So you got off and on. You have steering, trim, and speed switch. So you can turn it up to maximum speed or drop it down to go slow. They provide you with spare screws, pins, and you also have this tool to take off the tires. Cleaning brush as well. They also supply you with a full blown up blueprint of the RC truck and also every single number. So if you need to replace a part, you can go ahead and look in their manual and check out everything. That is pretty awesome. So guys, charging is very simple. You plug in here and then you would plug it into a USB port for charging. Here we go. Sorry guys, I was using the wrong end. So you plug this in and then plug this into any USB port, even a power bank to charge the battery. When you got it plugged in, it's going to be red blinking green, so it's charging. Should be green when it's all done. So we're going to go ahead and charge the battery up and give you guys some real footage. indestructible. Almost. Nothing in this life's indestructible, but this thing comes pretty close to it.